Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. You guys know what time it is. We're going to be talking about everything XLM. Shout out to the Stellar family for showing so much love on these day-to-day updates. But yeah, without further ado, let's take a look at what's happening with the price and of course what we could be expecting going further into the week. So as far as the utility projects momentum goes, we are still seeing a lot of them popping off today. Toronto had a massive day, almost up double digits. No, I'm sorry, almost up double compared to yesterday, and that is insane. One of the top gainers without a doubt. If you're looking at it on the weekly time frame, we are seeing a tremendous amount of green. So we cannot be forgetting this, because I know a lot of people will forget this when looking at the price right now for XLM, because XLM has seen a little bit of a minor pullback, but I want you guys to continue to be reminding yourself as to how much it's up on the monthly time frame, 470% to be exact. But let's take a closer look and see what is happening with the price, what we could be expecting in terms of targets going into Wednesday morning, and of course as we do go further into the week. So looking at the price, 51.6 cents, down 6.3% in USD comparative, down 7.6% in Bitcoin comparative, market cap at $15.5 billion, and a 24-hour trading volume at about 3.4 billion. Before we get into any further though, as always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So we're going to start off by taking a look at the Bitcoin dominance. The dominance actually has been pulling down, but earlier in the morning, we did see the dominance going down to the likes of 54.5%, but it actually went up. It went up once Bitcoin saw a little bit of a minor pullback. Speaking about Bitcoin pullback, you can see this for yourself. Bitcoin went down to $93,700. Obviously, there were some global news that could also be a catalyst behind this, but we have been seeing pretty much up and down for Bitcoin. Between the range of $97,000 all the way down to this 94,000 range. And it's been pretty much ranging here, continuing to close, above that $96,000, which is great. And as of recording this update, going into Wednesday morning, you are looking at Bitcoin sitting above $96,000. So looking amazing in terms of that. And dominance did initially react to that Bitcoin drop, but making its way back below 56% yet again. And so it's telling you altcoins are still, at the focal point of interest in terms of institutional interest, whether it's retail interest. It's definitely towards the altcoin side, because let's face it, these altcoins haven't moved over the course of the last 2 years, and now they're having their time. So of course this is going to spark more interest. But with that said, let's take a look at what's happening with XLM. So I'm giving you guys, the bigger picture in terms of, the entire historic price pattern for XLM. So you guys can see this was the initial all-time high. This was the second cycle, and right now we are currently in the third cycle. So pretty much XLM is experiencing its third bull market. And things really changed super fast for XLM. This time around, you could really see for yourself in terms of the trading volume and the way things picked up as well, right? We haven't seen this even in the last cycle. We were seeing a lot of swings, a lot of sideways momentum due to the fact that obviously there was not much interest in terms of retail at the level it is right now. And of course, the landscape of crypto did not change at that time, and now it's completely changing regulations coming towards crypto, and ETFs. We're talking institutions that are focusing on crypto that never really focused on cryptocurrency. So the market is evolving, right? And if you're looking at XLM from November 4th, it did go up 620%. So after a 620% increase, remember, it's not sustainable. There's going to be a little bit of a pullback, and we are seeing right now a pullback of about 18.53%. If you're not happy at that, I don't know what you will be happy at that point if you're holding XLM. After having a 620% increase in less than a month, the last thing you could ask for is a small retracement like this. So, you shouldn't be getting mad at that. That's pretty much what I'm trying to say. So right now, as the price, of course, this right here is the weekly time frame, so you're not looking at it from a closer time frame. I could show you guys a closer time frame to really make you understand what's happening. So let's go on the hourly time frame to really understand what's happening with XLM right now. So let me just bring out the chart for you guys. There it is. And let's go on the hourly time frame. So the hourly time frame really shows you everything, from a better standpoint. So pretty much after we broke into this yearly high at 63 cents, look at the sideways momentum. And you can't see that on the daily time frame, nor can you see it on the weekly time frame. Well, when I pull out the hourly time frame, the chart does not look bad at all. And you don't need to be a technical analysis expert to see that, this price pattern does not look that bad. And if you are, in the crypto space, or if you're new to the crypto space, after a parabolic, and yes, I repeat, a parabolic move like what XLM has seen, the first thing that you want the project to do is, find a ground for itself, extensify the support before breaking towards the all-time highs. And what a lot of people are forgetting is around this range where the price is currently retesting the likes of that 61 cents, there is significant resistance. So, this resistance isn't just going to break out quite easily. It does require a lot of momentum on the side of XLM, and of course, the volume, which it has had. It's not that it hasn't, but that's where the bulls and the bears are really going to fight with one another. But what a great way it has been consolidating. You cannot be forgetting that, yes, I am anticipating we will see a breakout towards a new yearly high. And I think the next breakout, the confirmation that you guys want to be looking at is around the 61 cents resistance. If that is able to clear out, I think that would be the biggest confirmation that the price of XLM is about to, retest the previous cycle's high. And if you want to look at the previous cycle's high, that itself was around 80 cents. And we came very, very close to that. From that 64 cents yearly high, that was only about a 26% move towards the upside for us to actually break out of the previous cycle high. So I do believe that is going to come. Right now, a lot of people are forgetting that, XLM is up 600%. So it's seeing a little bit of a minor pullback, and it's a really healthy correction. Even after a retracement itself, XLM price is up 600%, which is insane to think about. So, we are being supported by some significant support, obviously dating back to the previous, original cycle back in 2018 top. And of course, obviously that exact same resistance came in our way back on, April of 2021. And exactly that's where we are obviously being supported. So, I wouldn't really call it a resistance right now. I would call it more of a support. And that's where we're being supported by. This is exactly what you want to see XLM doing. I know there's a lot of newcomers coming into the space that, are going to be kind of ticked off at the fact that, the price of XLM is continuing to go towards the upside, but you cannot forget what it has been able to achieve. And if you've been accumulating within the bear market zone, lock some profits in. It's never too late to lock in profits. Don't listen to the trolls online on the internet that are saying, it's bad to lock in profits. It's never bad to lock in profits. Listen to your gut. If you're looking at your portfolio and, it's money that you cannot afford to lose, then it's the biggest chance for you to, lock some profits. And it doesn't matter if the price of XLM is going to reach all-time high market valuations. Because if you're just going to be waiting for that, that's just complete greed, right? But so far, so good. I'm really liking what I'm seeing. We'll see what happens over the upcoming week. Pay very close attention to Bitcoin as well as, the dominance index. But so far, so good. So what you want XLM to be doing. Love each and every one of you guys. We'll see you later. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.